Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Eka Apriani from the Management Program, Class 24A. Okay, so in this video, I will explain the material about function in business mathematics. Business mathematics involves the application of various mathematical functions to solve real-world problems. Understanding this function, such as demand and supply, is crucial for effective decision making in the corporate world. Next, understanding demand function. What is demand function? The demand function represents the relationship between the quantity demanded of a good or service and its price. Ceteris paribus. Key factor. Factors affecting demand include price, consumer income, prices of related goods, and consumer preference. Law of demand. The law of demand states that as price increases, quantity demanded decreases, and vice versa. Next, factor affecting demand. Number 1, price. The price of the good or service is the primary determinant of demand. Number 2, consumer income. Change in consumer income can lead to shift in the demand curve. Number 3, prices of related goods. The prices of subtitle and complement goods can also affect demand. Consumer preference. Shift in consumer tastes and preference can cause change in the demand curve. Next, graphing the demand curve. Axis orientation. The demand curve is typically graphed with price on the vertical axis and quantity on the horizontal axis. Shift in curve. Change in demand factors can cause the entry demand curve to shift left or right. Curve shape. The demand curve slopes downward from curve shape. The demand curve slopes downward from left to right, reflecting the law of demand. Understanding supply function. What is supply function? The supply function represents the relationship between the quantity supplied of a good or service and its price, ceteris paribus. Key factor. Factor affecting supply include price, production costs, technology, and the number of sellers in the market. Law of supply. The law of supply states that as price increases, quantity supplies increases, and vice versa. Next, factor affecting supply. Price. The price of the good or service is the primary determinant of supply. Technology. Advancement in technology can increase productivity and the quantity supplied. Production costs. Change in costs of inputs such as labor and raw materials can affect supply. Number of sellers. An increases in the number of sellers in the market can increase total supply. Next, graphing the supply curve. Axis orientation. The supply curve is typically graphed with price on the vertical axis and quantity on the horizontal axis. Curve shape. The supply curve slopes upward from left to right, reflecting the law of supply. Shift in curve. Change in supply factors can cause the entry supply curve to shift left or right. Equilibrium, price and quantity. Demand. The demand curve represents the quantity consumers are willing to buy at different prices. Supply. The supply curve represents the quantity producers are willing to sell at different prices. Equilibrium. The intersection of the demand and supply curves determines the equilibrium price and quantity. Next, shift in demand and supply increases. An increases in demand or supply causes the respective curve to shift to the right. Decreases. A decreases in demand or supply causes the respective curve to shift to the left. Equilibrium. The new equilibrium price and quantity are determined by the intersection of the shifted curves. Plus, application in business decision making. Pricing strategies. Understanding demand and supply function can help business to set optimal prices. Production planning. Analyzing supply and demand can guide business in their production decision. Market analysis. Studying shift in demand and supply curves can inform business strategies and investments. Okay, my explanation video regarding the material this time. Thank you for your time.